We are continuing chapter 10, section 5, multiplications of radicals today, and there were 3 or 4 questions left. But basically what we did last time was you join 2 prisons or 3 prisons, no matter how many times it's given, into one. And when you do that, break all big stuff into smaller pieces. We call it factoring, like 9 into 3 and 3, 63 into 9 and 7, and then 337. And once we do that, we see some prisoners, inmates get together, get higher powers, get richer, and they are more likely to break prison. That means simplification. We simplify, take as many as we could out, and multiply those staying in together, and that's it. So we are pretty much done 75% of the questions. I think this is the last one we did. The trick on this question is this is again multiplication. There's a multiplication sign right here in between. However, this is a combination of multiplication with some or differences. Sometimes you see difference, sometimes you see some addition. I need to open it again. Alright, and the deal on this question is again, the previous one actually, there is a multiplication here, but this multiplication combines with an addition of 2 terms. We did basic distribution, distributive law here. Here we did complicated distributive law. We call it FOIL because it's 2 terms versus 2 terms distribution. Technically call it FOIL. You multiply first terms, outside terms, inside, and last terms. Okay, and again simplify each time. Now today we are gonna start with the basic, very basic operation. What do you do if you have a square or power outside a prison? You know, every powers and square roots or radicals are enemy of each other. Like this is the money you have, and prison will just dissolve, disappear if you pay them off, if you post the bail, right? So this guy kinda has a power, but it's outside. Is there a way to bring it to reach this money into prisoners so they can pay off the guard and escape? And there is a way. Remember, whenever you have a power outside, you can move it into inside. So I can put that power right above to prison, each and every prison. So if there are multiple prisoners here, each will get $2. So if you had, for example, X or Y's here, it would be X squared and Y squared as well. So everybody gets their fair share of $2. But no, good news, you have only 98 here. And look what's going on. Do we need to break 98? Not necessarily. You can break it as 49 and 2. 49 is 7, 7, 2. You can break this into 7, 7, and 2 and pass this 2 to each and every guy, and everybody will have $2 and break prison. Or don't waste time. Don't you see this entire gang has the same money too, and they will pay off the guard and come out as 98 as entirely. Okay? Actually, we can even make a rule out of this. If you have a power around a square root and the index match, we cancel them each other. Okay. So do you want to do it during the class, or how do you want to?
The class would be preferable. Is possible to turn on more lights?
Sure. There is a button on the right side. It will turn off as well. The right one, the other one. Yep.
Legibility. You guys still see?
Okay. So this was a short one.